What are you doing, William?
Oh, hi. Hello, and this is our unboxing of Grilla Drilla. Open this. He fell apart. We drilled into here, so he fell apart. Yeah. Yeah, let me get it open.
Do you need any help?
Yeah.
Here. It's on the tripod. I'll see if I can help you. All right.
Tripod. Do you have
My
a tripod?
knee is the tripod. All right, so here's Grilla Drilla. Oh, the tripod fell down. All right, we're back on the tripod. Wait. Go, scooch away. Wait a second. Oh.
Can you open this? What?
This is an epic unboxing. All right, almost ready. We're almost ready. Let's do something funny and YouTube-ish. Wait, okay, I'm gonna put the camera over here. All right, we're doing great. We have almost got it unboxed.
No, we haven't almost got it unboxed.
William is making good progress.
Wait!
Wait! Okay.
That was weird.
Okay, tell us about this character that we're unboxing here.
Sorry, but I can't tell you something. I don't know any about Grilla Drilla. I've never heard of him.
What? Here, let's get a close-up. What is that? The bottom half? Oh, whoa, that's too close. Here. Bottom half. Now the top half. Show us the top half.
So.
All right, now put it together.
Put it together and you make...
Dun 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 dun.
Da-dee-da,
Grilla Drilla. All right. What else do we want to say to our viewers?
Peace out, tasty bananas, and
Okay. All right. Tasty bananas.